Thank you, Governor. The three districts that the governor mentioned, Providence, Central Falls, and Pawtucket, we've been working very closely to ensure that their plans are reflective of where they would be if we made that decision today, and that those plans are really solid and tight. As the governor said, we have seen different types of plans, but some of the plans that also stand out in addition to what the governor said are plans like Little Compton, who has a tent that's going to be outside for different opportunities for lunch to get fresh air. ICS also is using a tent so that they can be outside and have some of the instruction. So there's a lot of creativity that has emerged and a lot of working together and towns working together to ensure that we can provide what the families need, because as you heard last week, parents will have the choice, and that means that the districts need to provide those opportunities. Districts are sending out surveys. If you have not received, please communicate with your districts. Part of the plans is communication with the community. That has been front and center, and we want to be responsive as we move forward. I think the most important part is the numbers and RIDE supporting the superintendents as we move forward. I think that we have seen that the plans are up. Some of them are still draft, and we're going back and forth. This is hard, right? I know that a lot of people say, well, what about this one? Which one needed more work? This is about getting it right, not about meeting these deadlines, but really making sure that we're in a good place so that if you choose to send your student back, your child back, that you feel comfortable with what's happening in the schools. So I think that we're here, we're listening, and it is really your choice. And we're going to give you as much information as possible to make sure that you understand why decisions are being made and why and how it will be enacted and carried out. We've heard you loud and clearly about A days and B days being difficult, so we've given that feedback, and hopefully we'll continue to work. And I think the name of the game as we move forward is flexibility. We have a lot of plans in place, and the numbers will dictate how we move forward. So I want to thank you, and I want to thank the team at RIDE and the Department of Health working every single night to make this possible, and all the superintendents and principals and the parents for the patience and contributing to the solutions. Thank you.